It's a big day, just like the one we kept on seeing on Netflix. It's finally our big day. It actually is a dream come true. I've known Riken for almost a decade now. This is our 11th year of knowing each other. So it's like a childhood love story turning into a life forever.
We met at my cousin sister's wedding. So it was basically a dance performance and she was my partner.
Spotted him and I'm like, yeah, I think I want to be his dance partner, and then I never knew I'll become his life partner. It was just love at first sight to be with Riken.
I found a love for me. Darling, just dive right in, follow my lead. I found a girl, beautiful and sweet. Well, I never knew you were the someone waiting for me. 'Cause we were just kids when we fell in love, not knowing what it was. I will not give you up this time. Darling, just kiss me slow. Your heart is all I own, and in your eyes you're holding mine. Baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass.
Initially when we met, we didn't get along exactly well. Like we both thought, both of us have attitudes and, like we were trying to avoid each other. But then probably once that connect happened, after that we started going for walks, started meeting on and off. And yeah, then it just developed into something more beautiful.
Riken is caring. Riken is a foodie like me. That's why I like him so much.
Aditi is very innocent. So when I say innocent, it's more like she's very upfront and she will not hide anything. She's very caring. I mean, she'll make sure that things are in my best interests, no matter what the odds are, even against her.
He's very patient with me, manages a lot of things very well, indeed very loving, and he's a complete partner for me.
She's blunt, which I like. I mean, I like someone who's really blunt because she'll tell me everything honestly, no matter how bad I feel initially, but then she knows how to manau me. She will always have my back no matter what. Even if I'm wrong, she will know it that I'm wrong, but she will always have my back, irrespective.
You heard it, darling, you look perfect tonight. Well, I found a woman stronger than anyone I know. She shares my dreams. I hope that someday I'll share her home. I found a love to carry more than just my secrets, to carry love, to carry children of our own. We are still kids, but we're so in love, fighting against all odds. I know we'll be alright this time. Darling, just hold my hand, be my girl, I'll be your man. I see my future in your eyes. Baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you.
At this point of time, entering his family just makes me feel like I'm completing my life in a full circle. Ricky, now that we're married, we're going to travel the world together, eat a lot of food together, and make a lot of wonderful memories.
It's an official bond. The bond still remains the same. It's more legal that you can officially stay together. Emotionally, it means a lot because I know that she'll be there around me all the time whenever I need her, because there have been times when I actually needed her and she would not be there due to some or the other reason, like, you know, she would be away for something or the other. But now she'll be right next to me all the time. So at least emotionally, I'm extremely happy. So Aditi, I know it's been a long journey. You've pushed me a lot to tell my parents and everything, and finally it's done. We are married. And I really can't wait to have you by my side 24/7. I love you.